folks, and welcome to week 8 of online AP Stats. We only have 2 weeks left till the end of this first quarter, so this week 8 and then next week 9. And I want to highlight the two deadlines you're going to be encountering here on Chapter 3. So if we take a look, the first deadline that you're going to see is coming up here on Thursday, the 27th by 3 p.m. Everything up to and including the mid-chapter free response for Chapter 3 must be done by that time if you want credit. And then the last deadline we're going to be having is with the Chapter 3 test. It is officially, if you're on pace, kind of scheduled for this Monday right here on the 31st, so on a good old happy Halloween. But the deadline for that is going to be Friday by 3 p.m. on November 4th. So the remaining of the Chapter 3 work, including this test, must be completed no later than 3 p.m. on Friday, November 4th. So please plan ahead. If you're ready to take it at one time, that would be great. Or if you want to take it sooner than when it's scheduled, that's fine too. Remember, this test is not retakeable, so come in feeling prepared for that one. And I will do a little more detailed post later on for the next week's update about what you can expect for that test. Now, if you are interested in the retake for Chapter 2, I did a post on that, and what you're going to notice here, remember you can only earn up to the 85% on that one. What you're going to want to do, if that's something you want to partake in, is to come on in here into our folder. And if it's for the multiple choice portion, there were 4 questions on that. You're more than welcome to just retake the multiple choice portion here following the detailed rules and guidelines on how to do that. The deadline for that retake is going to be this coming on October 27th to have that done. If you're interested in the free response portion, you are not allowed to retake that small free response related to Chapter 1. By the way, that free response talked about, it gave you a table and you had to know what statistics you would talk about. If you looked at the table, it was kind of a table that looked somewhat like a histogram. If you visualize the histogram, you would have seen that the histogram is skewed. Based on that, what is the information you would talk about for the distribution? Don't forget your socks. Basically was getting to the center and the spread. Because the shape was skewed, it meant that the center should have been the median and the spread should have been the IQR is what we were looking for. But if the other free responses, you do want to retake those, you would have to retake all of the free responses. But again, please follow the directions here. Come on in, look over your test, identify the missed learning objectives, do the relearning. The retake, again, is going to be this win time on the 27th, either win 1 or win 2. Please let me know if you have any questions on the retake. You do need to come in and get that relearning and get that done before this Thursday. So don't wait till Thursday to come and do the relearning if you're retaking on the Thursday. Please come in no later than by Wednesday to do your relearning for either multiple choice or free response on that one. Other than that, that is pretty much all I have for this week 8. Chapter 3, if you haven't started it yet, is going to be kind of our next extension after SOX from Chapter 1, which was one set of data. We're now going into 2 sets of data, which means XY ordered pairs, which means it's things we can graph on a scatter plot. They have their own acronym for Chapter 3. It's called DOFs. So you will be encountering DOFs and understanding what that means you should talk about when you see a scatter plot now. And a lot more other things related to that. So dig down in the learning. Don't keep it to the last minute. And let me know if you have any questions along the way. Thanks, and have a great week 8 and week 9. Bye.